Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I thought I would take you around Home Bargains with me, see what's new in, see if there's any bargains to be had, so we will get straight into it. So starting off with all the homeware aisles, because it's just always the best bit. I feel like Home Bargains are adding a lot more artificial flowers to their stores now, although none of these had prices on, unfortunately. They've got these big pots that are $19.99. I'm not sure what I think of them. The pots are quite plasticky, which is a shame. They're not actual terracotta ones. And then them big tall ones, I have seen them for quite a while now. They've got some little mini ferns for $5.99, and then there is like a lot of big artificial plants. There is just absolutely tons of artificial plants lately. These cute little tulips that you can get in different colours for just $2.99. And these, I actually have one of these. I think these look really nice, like a row of 3 in the kitchen window or something. I think they are really nice for $5.99. There is some cute little storage boxes. The smallest is $3.99 and the bigger one is $4.99, and I think that they would look really nice around the house or outdoors. This is a nice little hanging plant. I like the little pot that it comes in, and that's only $5.99. Moving on to some of the little shelves and things that they've got, I spotted this, which is fairly new. There is just so much of this sort of design around, isn't there? And I think these mirrors are such a good price. These are always in Home Bargains. I've seen them for a long time, but they're only $6.99. And I think they look a lot more expensive than that. This heart mirror shelf as well, I see a lot of people have that on Instagram. This little tray I think is nice for outdoors, for like a nice breakfast or barbecue to put all your napkins and things in. These black and silver lanterns I've shown in a haul before. They are $7.99, and I think that they are really nice and expensive looking. There's loads of like black potted artificial plants, bonsai trees and things. I think these are really nice as well. They'd be lovely in kitchen cupboards for storage for just $3.99. And there is some nice gold trays and little gold plant pots that would all look really nice together. And if I had gold decor, I would probably be tempted to get them. I have got my eye on these pillows. They are feather filled and they're only $7.99, and I think they're a really good price because the size of them is quite big and they've got different colours of them. This you have seen probably in one of my hauls before. It is the faux fur rug in the grey colour, and it is so soft. It is really good value for money. These pillows come in a blush pink and a grey colour. I actually have the grey ones and they are just $3.99, and they have got some snuggly throws. I know it is not the weather for it, but Home Bargains is always a really good place to get some nice snuggly cheap throws. I spotted these floor cushions. Now I liked the blue one. I was not keen on the one with the monkeys on. I'm not sure how much they were either because it was no price. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on the monkey floor pillow. Maybe it's just me. There is lots of lovely throws. I think these are nice for taking outside when the weather gets a little bit cooler in the evenings if you are sitting out there. And I haven't seen this before, and I think it's really nice. It is a massive candle for $7.99. I spotted loads of new outdoor cushions, loads of lovely bright colours, loads of different kinds, and I thought this tray is really nice as well. For $3.99, I think again it would be really nice to have all of your barbecue bits on to carry outside, as well as this tray that I think is really nice as well, that goes with a lot of other things that they have in store, like all the matching tableware. I think it would go really nice with some of the patterned cushions as well. These little solar lanterns, they're a little bit plasticky feeling, but I do think they would look really nice in the garden. They're a nice sort of Moroccan sort of style. I love these. How nice would these be if you were hosting like a little afternoon tea? It'd be really nice for a kids party. All these little teacups, just $2.99 for them and $3.99 for the teapot. And there is also matching cake tins. So this one says bake the world a better place, and then the blue one says cake is always a good idea. They've got a lovely range of like a bee themed items in Home Bargains as well. This frame is so cute with the little bees on it. These I keep thinking about getting as well with the rope handles. I think they'd look nice outside with a tea light in. If I could guarantee that Rudy wouldn't chew one of these, I would definitely get the beehive doorstop. I think that is just adorable. These I spotted that I've not seen before. These were just £1.39. How nice would like some homemade lemonade look in one of them? It'd be a really good gift actually. There was a small range of Father's Day gifts in the Home Bargains that I was in. Not a huge amount, but they have got these little gift bags of pint pots for £1.49 and then some little jars of humbugs that I thought were quite cute. Also some gift boxes for £2.99 that just say best dad ever, and there is always superhero themed things when it comes to the men's section. So there is some Batman mugs and socks set, this really cool Superman mug as well. So some cool little gift ideas if you have a DC fan. There is also lots of nice little granddad gifts, things that say granddad's biscuit tin, so I think that's a really sweet idea. You could fill it up with homemade biscuits. Some chocolate tool sets as well. I think this is a nice little gift idea as well, this notebook and pen set. There is a lot of things for if you are going on holiday, lots of beachy items in Home Bargains. You've got flip-flops, you've got beach bags. I thought this one was quite sweet with the pom-poms on it. And the white and gold one, I bought a very similar one before from ASOS. Exactly the same pretty much, but much more expensive. They've got a lot of nice kids beach towels in there as well. So gaming ones with rainbows on and just funky patterns. They are just £5.99 in there. These children's swim bags are new in. There is one with watermelons and rainbows on and one with dinosaurs, and they are £6.99. They do the grey ball pools as well for any grey decor lovers for £6.99, and then you can get all of the matching balls for £6.99 as well. There is loads and loads of new outdoor things for the kids. There's a lot of new stuff for the kids. This palm tree sprinkler and limbo game. Does anybody remember doing this at school with the giant parachute? That used to be like my best day ever when that was pulled out. Also, there's a lot of things for doing like an at-home sports day, which would be really good if your school isn't doing it this year, and you could host your own in your back garden for the kids. Some more travel items, so there is loads of like mini toiletries to take on holiday, and these cool fans actually. I don't know how good they are, but you can put water in them and then obviously it keeps you cool. These I think look really nice. These are just little 49p bath and shower gels. They would make really good stocking fillers as well actually. I know it's a little bit early to be talking about Christmas, but I am always thinking about that time of year. I love these little watering cans for £2.99, and then I already have one of these milk churns for £6.99. These wooden planters are just £7.99. I think they're really nice as well. They just don't really go in my garden. Then onto some storage. There is lots of these diamond designed storage box sets, so you can get different colours and get it all to match. I'm not sure how I feel about these brightly coloured trays. I like the white one and I don't mind the pink, but the yellow I'm not so keen, but they are just £4.99. They're nice little breakfast trays. I have got my eye on these as well, the black ones in particular, tea, coffee, sugar canisters. I think they are really nice and so reasonably priced for £2.49. They also do the matching biscuit barrel, which is an essential, for £2.99. This is always really nice as well. I think the bread bin and the grey canisters that are all the embossed design. I think they look much more high end than they actually are. You could imagine them in Next or somewhere. These, I need to get some of these silicone lids that just stretch over bowls. They're only £1.99 and you get all different sizes, and they're obviously really good for storing leftovers. I always have to stop myself from buying new mugs when I'm in Home Bargains, and these were new in all different colours. Just a really small size mug for 99p. I think they again look more expensive than they are. There is also the Geo alphabet mugs. You've got the latte mugs which are £2.99, and then the smaller ones which are £2.49. These I actually have and I love them. They are only £1.29 for the glass mugs. And how nice are these stackable ones as well for £4.99. Love the colours of them. There is glasses for 59p in Home Bargains. You really cannot go wrong with their prices. And these, I'm not as keen on the design of these. I feel like they're a little bit old-fashioned, but I know they're really popular. And yeah, they're really inexpensive. And the latte glasses are a bargain as well. They have got some of the Yankee candles for £2.99. They're not like the most popular Yankee candle fragrances, I wouldn't say. But yeah, they're a real bargain because they are obviously a lot cheaper than what you would pay if you were in a Yankee candle shop. These I always like. I think they're a bit of a Jo Malone dupe, and then you've got the wood wick candles in Home Bargains as well, which like crackle like a real fire, so they are really nice. I'm just not keen on the purple colours. I prefer the neutral ones. I don't know who this is, but this KHM is a new range in Home Bargains, and there is loads of different makeup kits, makeup brushes, all really reasonably priced. And again, I think they'd be really good gift ideas if you know somebody that loves their beauty and makeup. These are also really lovely gift sets, just $4.99 for these. This perfume, I'm not sure what it smells like, but it's only $2.99. I think that and a bar of chocolate and you've got yourself a great gift for someone. These are lovely as well, these transparent teapots with tea bags in them, and also some rose gold tray sets which are $7.99. There is some gorgeous children's bedding in Home Bargains at the moment. I think this is really lovely, this tropical wild animal print set, and then you've also got some gaming ones. And the girls ones always get me. They are so lovely. There is unicorns. Unicorns are so popular, aren't they? Unicorns and rainbows. Super girly. And yeah, only $4.99 for those. If you haven't looked before, Home Bargains do a really great range of wallpapers. They have a lot on their website as well. I really like some of these grey ones. So inexpensive. They're like from $4.99. You've got embossed ones. Really worth looking if you're doing some decorating in Home Bargains. They have these tripod lamps which are $29.99. I like them, but I don't know whether I would want to pay that for it. Onto some snacks. This is so cute, really nice. Date night gift, you can do some little cookie decorating. It'd be good to do with the kids as well. These look new in to me as well. I hadn't seen them before. All these different flavoured tiffin bites. Really yummy looking. Iron Brew Jelly Babies Millions. What are we thinking about them? I hadn't seen them before either. Oh my god, these Twix soft scented cookies just look amazing. I love all the different kind of biscuits that you can get in Home Bargains. They always have so many different cakes and biscuits. There's also some of the Mars caramel center ones. I've seen a lot of people saying about these being really nice, these little snack pots that the Skinny Company do. And I didn't really look at many cleaning products, but I just spotted this, which I think is a new product from the lovely Mrs. Hinch, which is this spray wipe that is $1.99. And that is everything I have to show you in my little come shop with me to Home Bargains video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.